All right. Well, hi, everyone. I'm Miss Nikki at the Smyrna Public Library. I'm the Youth Services Coordinator. And today I have Library Associate Jacy with us. Can everybody say hi to Jacy?
Guys.
We're getting some waves. We're getting some highs in chat. And today for our Blind as a Bat Teen Taste Test, we are trying Hershey Kisses. So if you are following along with us or you're watching this video at home, go ahead and get out your bag and lay out your Hershey Kisses. Each bag inside your white bag should be labeled number 1 through 6. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to actually have everybody start with number 2. So get number 2 out of your bag, and in your bag of number 2, it should have 2 kisses inside it. Do we want to make any observations about these before we start with them?
It looks like a Hershey's Kiss. It smells like a chocolate Hershey's Kiss.
If you want to go ahead and taste it. Do we think we taste anything?
It's a milk chocolate Hershey's Kiss.
It is a regular Hershey's Kiss. That's right. Those were supposed to be bag number 1, but that's okay. So now we all have in our mind what a regular Hershey's Kiss tastes like. Number 2 is a regular milk chocolate Hershey's Kiss. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and go to number 1. Now your number 1 bag should only have 1 kiss in it. And that's because I could only get 1 bag of this particular type of Hershey Kiss. Now, I'm going to recommend that you bite into this Hershey Kiss. Don't put the whole thing in your mouth. You're going to want to bite it and be able to see the inside of this kiss. Do we want to smell this one too?
So far, still just smells like chocolate.
Madison or Matthew, do you have any predictions for this one? Nothing. Okay, go ahead again. You're gonna want to bite into this one so you can see the inside.
Oh, it's soft. It's cherry colored.
Do we have any flavor guesses? You said cherry colored, but what does it taste like?
I think it's the cherry cordial kiss.
Okay. Any other guesses?
Not my favorite.
Don't like this one?
Not a big fan.
Madison, Matthew, do we think it tastes like cherries? I don't know. They may not like it either. They're not responding. Where did Maggie go? It tastes like cherries. Okay, so if I showed you what these look like, so we removed the wrappers because, you know, sometimes on the little wrapper, it tells you what they are. So this is the way these come in a purple wrapper with the red bats. These are actually called vampire Hershey Kisses, and they are strawberry cream is what they are described. I don't have the bag. We tore the bag open to get them all inside, so I couldn't save the bag. But their wrapper does say vampire milk chocolate with strawberry cream. Vampire milk chocolate with strawberry cream. Okay, I know that Jacy does not like this one. Matt and Madison, would you guys eat this one again? Never. Okay. All right.
Does not taste like a strawberry.
Doesn't taste like strawberry. No. Let's move on to flavor number 3. Do we want to make any observations about this one? Can we smell anything? I feel like there's a wrapper in yours.
There's a piece of it. Yeah, the paper.
Some of these melted in transit, so if your kisses don't look very kiss shaped, I apologize.
It smells very sweet.
Like cake flavor. Okay. We're going to try it.
Sure. It's crunchy. like icing with sprinkles.
Okay. Madison and Matthew, you want to make a guess? Birthday cake. You will notice we had birthday cake Oreos in the second week. It is birthday cake Hershey Kisses. All right, would you eat these again?
Maybe
Maybe.
if they were around.
They were very sweet to me. I could have one and then I was like, oh, that's too sweet. Like I feel like I have a whole thing of icing. Madison and Matthew said yes, they would eat more of these. All right. All right, you do have two of those. I don't know if you need to eat a second one to cleanse your palate. Oh, we talked about we would have a drink for our taste testers and I didn't bring a drink. So if you need a drink between flavors, please feel free to do that.
I should have brought mine over.
All right, we're gonna go to number four.
Four, five, six.
Number 4. All right, you should have 2 in your number 4 bag. What do we think of these? Any observations?
Not as melty as my last one. It's back to looking and smelling like chocolate on the outside.
Okay. If you can't tell, you might want to try biting into one of these. They say it looks normal. Yep. You have 2 of this one. So you could also put one in your mouth. You could bite in. I recommend biting into your second one to see the inside. Also, just in case anybody cared, this is what the birthday cake wrappers look like. It does look like a little party cupcake. It's like normal, but melty. So
White.
there's white on the inside. How would you describe the flavor of this one?
It's just like really sweet.
Just
It's
sweet.
like really sweet.
Not
Maybe marshmallow center
Okay.
or just cream icing center.
Madison and Matthew, anything to add?
Normal but melty.
It tastes normal. All right, number 4. I hope I have this right set up. It is hot cocoa kisses. So Jacy was right that it has marshmallow cream on the inside. Would you eat these ones again?
Yeah, it tastes like a normal kiss. I wouldn't buy them special, but I would eat them.
Okay. All right, we're gonna move on to number 5. Madison and Matthew, would you guys eat the hot cocoa ones again? Maybe. There maybe. I can understand that.
To
All right.
me, this one looks kind of Christmassy. So I feel like it should be minty, but it doesn't smell minty. It just smells like white chocolate.
Okay.
Do I need to bite into this one?
No, you're good. Oh, I'm falling down on my job. This is what the wrapper for the hot cocoa ones look like. So if you ever wanted to try a hot cocoa one again, they do have marshmallows on the wrapper.
It's not minty. Not at all. And it was crunchy again. Is it cookie flavored?
It is a cookie. It's a type of cookie.
It's a type of cookie.
Madison and Matthew say sprinkles. Okay.
What cookie is red and green, you guys? Christmas cookie. It's a Christmas cookie.
It is a Christmas cookie.
It's a Christmas
So
cookie.
this is what the wrapper of this one looks like. It has red and green specifically. Zoom, I'm like zooming in too far. Red and green. It is, well, it's sugar cookie, but they are Christmas sugar cookies. These are not expired though, I promise. They're good until October of 2021. So they are good cookies or good kisses, even though Hershey Kisses are Christmas flavor. Would you eat this one again?
I'm eating the other one.
I
It's
really
good.
like these. I definitely had like 3 or 4 of these ones. That's the one thing. I get to know all the flavors, so I get to know what I'm trying and I get to snack on them when they're left over.
It's good.
All right. You guys ready to move on to number 6? All right, and so number 6, you have 3 of these just because I got 4 bags of them. So I had plenty to go around. So I hope you guys like these.
Now this smells like strawberries.
Okay.
It smells like strawberries. And it's crunchy.
Strawberry shortcake. Good guess. Good guess.
That is a good guess. I'm just trying to figure out why it would be crunchy. I'm just gonna go with strawberries, though.
Just strawberries.
Yeah.
Okay. This one is strawberry ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone.
Strawberry Pocky. Okay. Because yeah, it
Oh.
has because it's, I guess, the ice cream cone flavor. It has the malt balls inside, and there are ice cream cones on the wrapper. All right. Would you eat this one again?
Yeah.
All right. What's your favorite of all the flavors you tried today?
I'll put the original.
Original.
The original.
Madison and Matthew, what about you guys? Number 3. I don't remember which one. Number 3 was the birthday cake. Is that both of you? You both like number 3? Yes. Okay. They're in agreement. They both like number 3. Ashley and Jude, because I know you've been trying them in the office. What's your favorite? Regular for Ashley and strawberry for Jude. All right. Wait, which strawberry? The vampire strawberry or the strawberry cone? Strawberry ice cream cone. I'm guessing nobody thought this tasted like strawberry. Yeah. These were fun to try, but they were not as fun as I thought they would be. All right. Well, thank you guys you're welcome to eat all your extras. You guys are welcome to eat all of your leftovers. Thank you for joining us on this week's teen taste test, Blind as a Bat. I know it was much smaller snacks, so they went by much more quickly. Next week's snack is Peeps. Now, none of the flavors are gross, but they are more than your traditional Peep flavors. They all have very distinct flavors, and when you open them next week, you will be able to smell the flavor because they are very strong. And Mr. Jude will be our guinea pig for Blind as a Bat teen taste test, because again, I know all the flavors, so I can't eat them. And I'm not a big Peeps person, but I am interested in trying these flavors next week. So please tune in next week. Make sure you pick up your kits. Kits are available on Mondays at Smyrna Public Library. And if you want us to send you this link, we can take your email down. I'd like to thank Jacy, our library associate, for volunteering to taste Hershey Kisses with us.
Thank you for giving me an excuse to eat chocolate during my work day. It was a good work day.
And thank you to Madison and Matt for joining us. And for other teens, if you're watching this later, we hope you enjoyed it. You're always welcome to write your guesses down as you're tasting them at home, whether you're watching with us live. You can bring them in and let us know. But we hope you enjoyed Blind as a Bat teen taste test. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.